Next.
I'd like to get my records, please.
You need DOH form number 4380-8 and $43 and
55 cents.
and an application signed by a parent or a guardian.
Bam. It's all there.
Are you going to stare at me the whole time?
Sorry.
Next.
Can you read it? I'm too nervous.
Annie Bennett, abandoned outside 26th Precinct, age estimate at time of abandonment, 4 years, placed in state foster care, no further data.
What does no further data mean?
It's all there is to know about you. Sorry, honey.
It's okay. I'll figure it out.